If you haven't noticed, more grocery store chains are offering prepackaged meals. That's because there's a demand for it. More stores say their customers increasingly demand convenience. Walmart started offering prepackaged meals back in the spring, and by the end of the year, they will be offered in 2,000 of their stores nationwide.
We spoke with Trae, Bodge, smart shopping expert for Gift Card Granny, who said the stores need to, keep up with the growing popularity of prepackaged meal delivery services.
Grocery stores who are not doing it now will start to do it simply because the demand is there. We saw the big trend with meals that came in kits like HelloFresh and Blue Apron. But I think even more people don't even want to prepare the meals anymore. They just want them to be ready and they can pop them in the microwave. It's kind of like the TV dinner of the future. So I do see this spreading out pretty widely as long as the meals remain somewhat affordable.
Well, part of the demand comes from the convenience culture. Many of us, especially y'all millennials who are watching, you like things done for you quickly, but fast food doesn't fit the bill, right? So Trae said more stores are going to offer those prepackaged meals because there's clearly the demand for the convenient food that's also healthy.
That is. Okay, so the one sticking point for most people is the price. Prepackaged meals tend to cost more than those from scratch ingredients that you have around the house because you can use those items meal after meal.
And those prepackaged meals cost more because they have to be assembled. But Trae said stores have to make sure prices don't go too high as they're forced to assemble more prepackaged meals, to keep up with that demand. I've seen them more and more. Like Whole Foods has them.
Yes.
You can walk into just about any store nowadays, and it's like just ready for you to just take home, pop in the oven, and call it a day.
Yeah, like any basic grocery store has those now.
But isn't that like kind of deceptive too? Like,